we have to see version management in SAP Abap. So we have this concept in scripts also. So the version is used to differentiate the current active version and the previous active version. Okay, so now go to the transaction code SC38. Here already create one program. So in the version management, if our current active version is wrong, we can retrieve the previous active version. Okay, so here we see the path of the version management. Okay, so here go to utilities and versions, version management. So here you can compare the current active version and the previous active version. Okay, version also. So for script released version in the current active version. So in SAP Abap, version management allow you to track changes to repository objects, compare different versions and restore older versions if you need to access through the path, utilities, versions, version management. Okay, so here you have to see the transaction code SC09. Here the transport organizer. Okay, so you can also access the version management from the transport organizer. So the version management, in the version creation, the system automatically creates the version before a repository object is modified. You can also create the manual version. Okay, or the version overview displays the current version in the object repository and the historical version saved in the version database. Okay, thank you for my new subscribers and who watch my video. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.